Hey guys, it's Miss Juris here. I was able to finally get a Wilson flip chart together. You will look at these letters and welded sounds and digraphs, and you will see that this looks familiar. So we're going to start first with our vowel sounds like we normally do. So I hope you're all saying them with me. A, apple, a. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Now let's move over to some digraphs. WH, whistle, w. CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, th. CK, sock, k. All right, a few consonants that we haven't done in a while. F, fun, H, hat, N, nut, n. S, snake, s. S, bugs, z. S can both say s and z. And last one, W, wind, w. Now going on over to our welded sounds. These should all look familiar right here. A-N-G, fang, ang. O-N-G, song, ong. U-N-K, junk, unk. I-N-K, pink, ink. All right, so now moving on to the next slide, you can see the long vowels and the short vowels right here for you. I'm loving that they have these posters in this chart. And we will go through the long and short vowels of A, E, I, O, and U. A, apple, a. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Now let's do the long vowel sounds. We just did the short vowel sounds 2 times today. Let's do the long vowel. You notice how each of these long vowel sounds have an E at the end. That sneaky E gives the vowel its long name. A, safe, A. E, Pete, E. I, pine, I. O, home, O. U, mule, U. And U also has a third vowel sound that it can make, and it says rule, ooh. U, rule, ooh. All right, so within our Wilson program, we have been talking about different syllable types. The first one we learned about was closed syllable, and that is in such words like cat, C-A-T, when 2 consonants enclose the vowel sound. That is a closed syllable word. And we also learned about some exception to the closed syllable rules. So those 5 welded sounds are ild, ind, old, ost, and olt. And Thursday, when we have our spelling part of Wilson, we will spell words with these types of sounds. And of course, here are the VE syllables where the vowel is long, and because the E at the end makes it a long vowel sound, it's called the sneaky E. We're going to skip over that today and this. All right, today we're going to do our Wilson word reading. So I would like you to repeat after me. And if you need to use your finger tapping, go ahead. Ch, it, chip. Your turn. shut, it, whip, shed, shed, chin, thud, thud, ship, ship, chat, chat, shop, shop, in, thin, rash, rash, such, off, moth, path, path, wish, wish. I'll give just a few minutes for you to look through those words. I might have gone too fast. Sorry. For you to be able to catch up and finish up reading those words. Next, we have our Wilson sentence reading. I will read the sentences and you will repeat them. Jill can nap on the bed. Dad sat in the pig pen. The dog ran on the path. Pat hid the jam in the shed. Did Beth get the fan from the den? Sam will get in the tub for a bath. The ram on the hill is big. Beth had a red and tan hat. Pam and Bob had fun at the mill. Sam has a bad rash on his leg. Next, we will go into our passage reading. Today's passage is called Josh and His Pet Chick. Some of the high frequency words we will see in this passage are his, the, was, a, and. Some others are to, of, and have. Here we go. Josh had to check on his pet chick in the pen. The pen was set in back of a shack. The pet chick was a hen and had a tad bit of red on the top. Josh did dash to the shack and run in the pen. Then Josh did pick up his pet chick to hug. The chick was fed and it did hop and peck. Then Josh did lock the pen back up to let the chick nap. It was a fun job to have a pet chick. Now it is your turn to read the passage. All right, my friends, we're going to come to a stop there today. On Thursday, we will have another Wilson lesson, and this one will be focused on spelling. As you can see, I have my sound word cards ready to move on over and to spell some words. And if we don't have the exact welded sounds, Miss Juris will be able, like the closed syllable welded sounds, I will be able to use my pen and spell those words. And you are going to spell them along with me. Have a great day, boys and girls, and I will see you on Thursday.